fee, so we're just going to have a look at page 100, and we're just going to have a look at this comprehension here. There's a lot of new vocab, so I have underlined a lot of it. I'm just going to talk you through it, and then I'm going to get you to try the questions on page 100 on page 101. First couple words I've highlighted here is station. So station is your results, as your resorts. Balnéaire are seaside. So balnéaire are seaside resorts. So this is seaside resorts in France. Okay, so the next word here, so I'm just going to read through the top. Les France aiment beaucoup aller à la plage pendant leurs vacances d'été. So French people really like going to the beach during their summer holidays. Il y a un grand choix. Choix here is choice, des plages. There's a great choice of beaches, or a big choice of beaches. Il y a les plages de la Manche. So there's the beaches in the Manche, de l'océan Atlantique, at the Atlantic Ocean, or de la Méditerranée, of the Mediterranean. Chaque station balnéaire a ses propres caractéristiques. Now, propre has two meanings in French. Propre can mean clean. Like ma chambre est propre, my room is clean. But if you just say proper here, can also like my own, as in it belongs to. So here, proper means like has its own characteristics. Lis la description de 5 stations balnéaires. Read the following 5 descriptions of the following seaside resorts. So this, okay. So the first word here I've got highlighted for you is ramasser. Here, this ramasser. Ramasser is the verb to collect. So here it says les touristes aiment ramasser des coquillages. So they like to collect. Des coquillages is like your seashells. Sur la plage, on the beach. The next one I've highlighted here, surf volant. So surf volant, il y a un grand festival du surf volant. Surf volant is kite surfing. That is your kite surfing, okay? So that is the first one. Numéro 2 is la balle. First one word I've highlighted for here is situé. Situé is situated sur la côte atlantique, so it's situated on the Atlantic coast, dans le ouest, dans the west of France. The next word I've highlighted for you here is connu. Connu, so it says la ville est connue, so the town is known, okay, is known for. The next word I've highlighted here is découvrir. That's a new word for découvrir. The tourists viennent, so the tourists viennent à la balle pour découvrir, to discover le plaisir de la plage, the pleasures of the beach. Okay. I've highlighted here as well presqu'île. Now, presque means like near or almost. Une île is an island. So when you put those two together, in French that's called an almost island. So it's not quite an island, but it's nearly an island. So the presqu'île, so the almost island, or it's not de Gironde. Situé à quelques kilomètres de là-bas, so situated a few kilometers from the town. That's numéro 2. Numéro 3, I have highlighted a few little words here. The next first one here is deux fois. Deux fois is twice. So deux fois par semaine, il y a un match de beach volley. So twice a week there's a volleyball match, okay? I also want you to highlight here, on peut y faire. On peut y faire means one can do it there. One can do there. Kite surfing. About that. So we're having on peut y faire. The on peut y faire means that one can do there, okay? I've also highlighted here les vagues. Les vagues are waves. Les vagues is waves in the sea, okay? C'est idéal pour le sport nautique. Sport nautique is your water sports, okay? Here we got le ski nautique is your water skiing, and la planche à voile, I always mix it up. So planche à voile is your wind surfing, okay? Wind surfing. La voile is sailing. La planche à voile, wind surfing, okay? Numéro 4, number 4. I have highlighted here, first thing I've had here is les gens aiment bronzer. So the people like to sunbathe, or se bronzer is to sunbathe. Se baigner dans le eau is to bathe in the water. Et lire is to read, okay? Lire, to read, okay? Just pay attention here. Ils vont. Ils vont, that's the verb, the present tense, the verb aller, they go, okay? Dans les palottes. That's another say café. Pour manger une glace. Une glace is an ice cream, okay? Ou pour boire quelque chose, or to drink something. Okay, so that should get you to number 4. Numéro 5, we have got We have first got here the first one, on été, so on summer. La ville est bondée. Bondée is packed. Bondée est packed, okay? It also says here, la vie nocturne est très animée. So la vie nocturne, here's your nightlife, est très animée, is very lively, okay? The last little bit I just want to show you here is, first one here is de vedette. So vedette du cinéma. So vedette is a star, like a famous person, okay? So le vedette du cinéma. So the cinema stars, ou de la chanson, singer. So vedette is your stars, like a famous person, okay? Vedette du cinéma, your cinema stars, or vedette de la chanson are your singers, okay? So make a note of all that vocab, okay? Don't vocabulary in your copies, okay? Merci beaucoup. I want you to try the questions here, okay? So you've got the top of page santé on page 101. Which resort is a small port? Which resort has a lively nightlife? Which resort has a peninsula nearby? Which resort holds a kite festival? Which resort has big wastewater sports? So try those, and try B as well. Just answer them quite quickly. That should be nice and easy. And I will send you on this listening here 5.04. So mes vacances dans une station balnéaire. So my holidays at a seaside resort. 5 personnes, 5 people, passent leurs vacances d'été dans une station balnéaire. So spend their thing spend their summer in a seaside station. So you put in their name, where the resort is, duration, how long were they there for, what months, les mois, what month was, what activity did they do. So do that comprehension. I'll post this up under material and I'll send you out the answers tomorrow, hopefully. Is that okay? And do the listen as well. Merci beaucoup, les filles.